Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. Well guys, right now I'm aware of the overall situation, but I'm really sorry for giving a sad news. Well guys, I don't at all like to spread any negativity, but this particular news is very much important. Well guys, if you're familiar, then currently in India itself, there is so much problems. It is a complete chaos. We all are familiar of the current COVID crisis. But at the same time, because of this kind of situation, Apple on the other hand is facing some huge problems. First of all, Apple recently shifted their entire iPhone 12 production in India itself. But now, because of this increasing pandemic, the overall production has definitely affected. So what Apple has done, they have cancelled more than 50% of its production. So right now, the demand for the iPhone 12 is constantly increasing. But on the other hand, the supply is pretty much limited. So for this kind of tech giant, it is a very big problem because Apple is literally losing millions of dollars. Well, I know that life is more important than any of the products. And guys, it hurts to say this, but in Apple's India factory, various of the Apple workers were tested positive, and that's the reason why Apple had to take all of these concrete measures. Well guys, on the other hand, to provide you the inside information, let me tell you. Well guys, right now, there is a strict rule in Apple's India factory. So in simple words, it is on the employee that if he wants to stay in the factory forever, like for the next couple of weeks, if the employee chooses to work in the factory itself, eat, sleep and do everything there, then he can work there. But at that point where he goes out of the company, he can't come back in. Well, this is the concrete measure. But guys, right now, we all are aware of the outside situation. Well guys, in my state itself, in Maharashtra, there is absolute chaos. But the reality is, all of these things will slowly get to normal. Well guys, right now we know that in the entire media, there is so much negativity and I don't want to contribute to that. But I want to give you an optimistic approach because see guys, after a couple of months, we will definitely overcome this. But as if for now, the entire production of the iPhone 12 is kind of stopping. But this gives a direct problem to the overall price drop because now the demand is constantly increasing, but on the other hand, the supply is pretty much limited. So that's the reason for the next at least for 1 month, we might not see such a huge price drop. So the iPhone 12s in 64 gigabytes will be available for 71,900 rupees. So the price tag might not come below that at least for a couple of more weeks. Well guys, if there is going to be any other update related to this kind of production, then I will definitely cover it. Well guys, I'm extremely sorry if I contributed to the negativity. But I also want to say that take care of yourself and please stay away from this negative news and focus on the bright future. Well guys, thanks a lot for watching this quick video. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.